Imagine biting into a perfectly ripe watermelon on a sweltering summer day. The sweet, juicy flavor is a delight. But have you ever wondered about the journey it took to reach your plate? From the fields where seeds are carefully sown to the high-tech innovations that ensure every melon is harvested at its peak, the path of a watermelon is a fascinating blend of nature and technology. Join us as we explore the incredible journey of one of summer's most beloved fruits and uncover the modern marvels that make it all possible. Watermelons are one of the most popular fruits worldwide. Their sweet, juicy flesh makes them a favorite treat during hot summer days. But beyond their delicious taste, watermelons are packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and antioxidants that are good for our health. The journey of a watermelon from the farm to your table involves a lot of effort and advanced technology. Every year, farmers around the world harvest over 100 million tons of watermelons. This massive production is not just about planting seeds and waiting for them to grow. It involves careful planning, advanced technology, and efficient methods to ensure that watermelons are grown, harvested, and delivered in the best possible condition. From the use of precision planting machines to automated irrigation systems and innovative pest control methods, technology plays a crucial role in every step of the process. The scale of watermelon production is truly impressive and showcases the power of modern agriculture. Everything begins with the selection of high-quality watermelon seeds. Farmers choose seeds that are known for their strong growth and good fruit quality. Modern planting machines help ensure that seeds are planted at the right depth and spacing. This precise planting helps each watermelon plant have the best chance to grow healthy and produce large, juicy fruits. Bulk seeds refer to watermelon seeds bought in large quantities for commercial farming. These seeds are selected for their high germination rates and disease resistance. Bulk purchasing helps farmers save costs and ensures consistent quality for large-scale production. Super sweet watermelon seeds are specifically bred to produce fruit with higher sugar content and enhanced sweetness. These varieties are popular for their superior taste and are often chosen by growers aiming to produce premium quality watermelons. After germination, watermelon seedlings are often separated into small pots to allow them to grow strong before being transplanted into the field. This process ensures that each plant has enough space to develop its root system and grow robustly. Hybridization involves crossbreeding different watermelon varieties to combine desirable traits, such as improved sweetness, disease resistance, or better yield. This process requires careful selection of parent plants and controlled pollination to produce seeds with the best characteristics. Greenhouse planting allows for year-round watermelon production by creating a controlled environment. Temperature, humidity, and light levels are regulated to optimize growth. This method can lead to higher yields and more consistent fruit quality. Moistening the roots is a crucial step in transplanting watermelon seedlings. Ensuring the roots are adequately hydrated helps reduce transplant shock and supports healthy growth as the plants adjust to their new environment. Watermelons need plenty of water to grow, but overwatering can be a problem. That's why farmers use advanced irrigation systems like drip irrigation. These systems deliver water directly to the plant's roots, making sure each plant gets the right amount of water without wasting any. This method helps conserve water and supports healthy watermelon growth. To help watermelons grow strong, farmers use automated fertilization systems. These systems apply the right nutrients to the soil at the right time, which helps the plants grow better and produce more fruit. Soil management is also important, and technology helps farmers monitor soil conditions and make adjustments as needed to keep the soil healthy and productive. Pests and diseases can harm watermelon crops, so farmers use technology to keep them under control. Drones and sensors are used to monitor the fields and detect any signs of trouble early. This allows farmers to take action quickly to protect the plants and ensure a good harvest. Integrated pest management systems help reduce the need for chemical treatments, making the process more environmentally friendly. Tunnels are used in watermelon cultivation to extend the growing season and protect plants from adverse weather. These structures, made from materials like plastic or fabric, create a controlled environment that enhances plant growth and can improve yields. Tunnel construction involves setting up a framework and covering it with a protective layer to create a microclimate ideal for watermelon growth. The plantation season for watermelons typically depends on the climate. In warmer regions, planting usually occurs in late spring or early summer, when the soil temperature is ideal for seed germination. In cooler climates, planting may be done in greenhouses or after frost has passed. Adding nutrients to the soil is essential for watermelon growth. Farmers use fertilizers to provide the necessary elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which support healthy plant development and fruit production. Fertilization schedules are tailored to the plant's growth stages. Ripening is the final stage of watermelon growth. The fruit develops its full flavor and sweetness as it matures on the vine. Farmers monitor ripening closely to ensure the watermelons are harvested at the peak of their flavor and quality. In the past, harvesting watermelons was a manual job. Workers would carefully pick each watermelon by hand, which was time-consuming and required a lot of labor. Today, mechanized harvesters have transformed this process. These machines can quickly pick watermelons from the field, sort them, and even transport them to processing areas. This technology speeds up the harvest and reduces the amount of manual labor needed. After harvesting, watermelons need to be sorted and graded. Automated sorting systems are used to separate watermelons by size, weight, and quality. This ensures that only the best watermelons are selected for sale. These systems use cameras and sensors to check each fruit, ensuring they meet the quality standards before they reach the market. After harvesting, watermelons are cleaned to remove dirt and debris. This step ensures that the fruit is hygienic and ready for packaging. Cleaning processes typically involve washing with water and sometimes using sanitizing solutions. GPS technology has become a crucial tool in modern farming. It helps farmers map out their fields and track the growth of their crops. With precision agriculture, farmers can use GPS data to optimize planting patterns, manage resources more efficiently, and make better decisions about when to water and harvest. This technology helps improve overall crop yield and reduce waste. Robots are increasingly being used in agriculture to make tasks more efficient. In watermelon farming, robots can help with planting, watering, and even harvesting. These robots are equipped with sensors and AI to perform tasks accurately and quickly. By taking over repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, robots help farmers save time and increase productivity. Farmers now use data analytics to make informed decisions about their crops. Sensors and drones collect data on plant health, soil conditions, and weather patterns. This data is analyzed to provide insights that help farmers make better choices about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. By using data-driven methods, farmers can improve crop yield and reduce costs. Technology has revolutionized the way watermelons are grown and harvested. From advanced planting and irrigation systems to automated harvesters and data analytics, these innovations make the process more efficient and sustainable. Technology helps farmers manage large-scale production while ensuring high-quality watermelons reach consumers. As technology continues to advance, the future of watermelon harvesting looks even more promising. New innovations will likely bring even greater efficiencies and improvements in sustainability. The ongoing development of smart farming technologies will help address challenges and make watermelon farming more productive and environmentally friendly. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of watermelon harvesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods make it to your plate. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos exploring the cutting-edge technology shaping the future of agriculture. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more incredible insights into the wonders of modern farming.